Hello, this is Logan from LGMC Guangxi Ligong Machinery Company. Here in front of me you can see a big giant wheel loader, which is model is ZL50CN. And here if I can say some short details about it, which is operating weight is 17,100 kilogram, and the gross power is 162 kilowatt, and net power is 149 kilowatt, which is very powerful. And model is 6TL9. Yes, and emission rate is very important, which is people are often asking me what is the cooling system. Of course, because the people are walking around and they care about the cooling system. So here is cooling system is air cooling, which is very comfortable for people. And the bucket, here you can see the bucket. This bucket length, the bucket dimension, full dump clearance, full height trans is the length and bucket down is 8,030, and width over times, which is 2,570. Curved height, the curved height is 3,480 millimeter. Yes, so here is the short descriptions about this giant wheel loader. It's very comfortable to work, and the general purpose 3 meter square, 3 meter cube, sorry, and the bucket capacity is 2.5 to 5 meter cube. Yeah. So here's the short details and product features. If I can say what I could say, like this ZL50CN product is optimizing all the shapes, optimizing the shape of the bucket, especially the bucket, makes it easy pick up the material, achieving higher wheel factors and less visibilities. Yes, this is the good product features for this giant wheel loader. And one more thing is air conditioned AC with this air condition with big cooling capacity. Yeah. Adding air from back, they are already added over here from back and bottom of the machine for all around they want. You could see here there has the air conditioning system is pretty cool and comfortable for workers, and optimized preheating system and hyper efficient fan adaptable from 30 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius ambient temperature. Offshore, and there has some optional multiple attachments, which is included multiple buckets. There's multiple buckets included, and pellet fork handing arm. Yes, so this is included handing arm with multiple buckets. Yeah, and Grumpy and snow blade greatly expanded and application to the wheel loaders. So this is a very comfortable way to use in the wheel, in the snow area, big areas, or big construction areas, which is very yeah. And but where the giant, I would say wheel, I would say the wheel. Yeah, and this giant are going to wheel in power. Weight ratio thing is component is strong. It in the boat is lift capacity strong, and in its driving strength strong, and that's one of the place where giant really wheels and excels. Very strong drive trains are pushing and pulling, whether that's pushing snow or just being able to peel your bucket with dirt, or if it's climbing, a very steep hill with a heavy load. I'm always been very impressed with them. These are adequate. So I'm just saying, what do you give up? Well, there's definitely premium. There's a premium. This is adequate, but there's premium now where does the Liugong. stability, this is super compact at 66 inches wide and perfect for well component. And when we are handling the block, which is really at the very max of their both of their capabilities, but when we are handling a giant, when you are the full front, you are taking a trip a little bit. This is one of the full. This is still stable. It's really only limitations is what it can lift, and that's what generally we see, and we have seen like the very Ligong this brand. They are large, reputable Chinese company. It would spin tires. This pain the tires. And absolutely maximum climbing of hills. I would be comfortable with this giant wheel loader, and really pushing things to the max or maximum environment. I'd more comfortable spending the money to get that premium machines. Yeah. Okay, let's talk around the driver's seat. First, like I said, this has air conditioning systems. Inside has. Let me show you inside. Yeah. Here. Okay, the wheel loader. This wheel loader heat and AC air condition. Driver's seat, directions, monitors. Here with the open door condition figures, and you have got your coupe open door other side. On the ratio, it's got a fan. Here is a fan. It's got a fan, and I don't want to especially don't want to run AC backup camera. There has a backup camera. Over there has a backup camera, and air seat. The seat is very air seat because it's working condition. If you workers, if it is hot inside, so they have air seat and air condition systems, air cooler systems. Comes with a road package with a signals guide. Very capable loader here. Liugong has ever made, and giant products on our website. Like I said, in our focus. Let me show you here. Focus on money for careful loader and looking to keep a little bit for money in your pocket. That the giant loader you will get from our website. All of the details over there. As a promised footage of the Liugong with the 2 foot by 3 foot by 6 foot concrete block, we did that earlier with the crane scale. 46,000 pounds, and with the pellet forks that adds about 500 to 5,100 pounds handy. The machine does have 2-speed transmissions. This machine has 2-speed transmissions, which is very perfect for here, and for high speed really. And in the everyone machine is the mostly just from moving to place low speed is for carrying and moving around, and there's we are turning around. That's full turn, doing turn and coming down. That's one of the weak points. That's anyway, we will lift it again. You can see it. We will lift it up, and that weak point, but that is pretty slow. Beyond that's now it would not be what it was. Something within its normal capacity, but we are far exceeding past capacity. So if you know this is the pushing limits, anyway, available for sale, cheaper, LGMC loader.com. And they have much electric forklifts and diesel forklifts, and and others as well are available, cheaply sales and available in our LGMC loader website. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.